Hello students, in this problem number 6 of exercise 8.1, the applications of integral, find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, the line x equals to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square equals to 4. So first of all, we will find this point of intersection of these two lines. You know, this line represents x equals to root 3y. So when you put x equals to root 3y in, this is first part, and x square plus y square equals to 4. So when you put this here, then it is root 3y whole square plus y square equals to 4. So 3y square plus y square equals to 4. 4y square equals to 4. So y square equals to 1. So the value of y is plus minus 1. So this is the minus 1 here. Now when is y equals to minus 1? This is x part. When you put y equals to minus 1, the value of x is root 3 or it is plus minus. So this is minus root 3 and this is plus root 3. Now we want this particular area, this area plus this area. So it will be, please see, 0 to root 3, this one, y of line dx plus root 3 say 2 y of circle dx. See, this part is very important. Now I am explaining you the remaining thing. The sum is little complicated and it is important sum from the examination point of view. So it is 0 to root 3 y of line. So y of line is x by root 3 dx plus root 3 to 2 y of circle. You see, what will be the y of circle? Y square is 4 minus x square. So y will be root 4 minus x square. So here it is root 4 minus x square dx. Please see this part. Now when I integrate, it is 1 by root 3 x square by 2 and it is 0 to root 3. See this part, the formula we already done, it is a square minus x square. So for the second part, the formula will be, please see nicely now, the formula, it is x by 2 root 4 minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and the limit is root 3 to 2. So here when you put the value, it is 1 by root 3 and x square is root 3 ka square, that is 3 by 2, first part. Now second part, you see, when you put x equals to 2 here, when you put x equals to 2, this component will be 0 plus 2 sine inverse 1 minus, when you put x equals to root 3, so it is root 3 by 2 and 4 minus 3 plus 2, please see this part nicely, I am not in a hurry, plus 2 sine inverse root 3 by 2. This x will be root 3 by 2. So here it is 3 upon 2 root 3 plus 2 into pi by 2 minus root 3 by 2. This one minus 2 into pi by 3. Sine inverse root 3 by 2 means 60 degree. Now if you study, this part and this part cancelled, and this one is the same only, because 3 upon 2 root 3 cancelled, so same it is. Pi minus, the final answer is pi minus 2 pi by 3. So the final answer is pi by 3. So area is pi by 3. I hope this part is clear to you. It is one of the important sum from the examination point of view. I hope it is clear now. I am taking the next problem. Please see it. Yes, see, another problem. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle. This is a circle and we have to find the area of the smaller part of this circle cut off by the line x equals to a by root 2. See, this line is x equals to a by root 2, and now this line is cutting the circle. One is big part and the other is small part. We have to find this small part. That is the required area. The required area equals to 2 into area A, C, B, A. Again, this one. Iska double करना. So the answer is 2 into A by root 2 to A y of circle. And the y of circle is a square minus x square dx. Please see this part. And now this sum is the part of chapter number 7. I am explaining you. Please see. The formula is x by 2 root a square minus x square, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and the limit is root 2 to a. So now the calculation part will be important. Please see this now. It is 2, x means a by 2, and here a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse a by a. That is the first part. Minus, and this 2 will be as it is, minus a by. So it is a by 2 root 2. In the root, a square minus x square. So a square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse a by root 2. So a by a root 2. That is the answer for this. Now, this is to be simplified very nicely in total to get the final answer. Please see the part. It is 2. This part will be 0 plus a square by 2. See this part, sine inverse 1. So it is pi by 2 minus a by 2 root 2 dot. See this now. It is a square by 2. So a by root 2. Please see this part now. A by root 2 plus a square by 2, and this a and a cancelled, so it is pi by 4. Please see this part nicely. Now it is 2 pi a square by 4 minus a square by 4 plus pi a square by 8. See this part. Now the next step is you can multiply pi a square by 2, a square by 2 and pi a square by 4. And if you want at this step, even you can take the LCM also. So it is 4. So 2 pi a square minus 2a square plus pi a square. So 2 pi a square, here because of this minus sign, please let me correct, this will be minus. This part will be minus and this part. So 2 pi and this is pi a square minus 2a square upon 4. So if we take a square common, it is pi minus 2 upon 4. That will be the final answer for this particular sum. I hope it is clear to you. So in this way we can find the area of the smaller part. This is one of the complicated sum, but if you do it step by step, you can get the answer. Do the practice of this. Be very careful about the signs. Whenever we open the bracket, sign will change, as I have seen in this particular problem. So I hope this part is clear to you. See, dear students, the area between this curve and x equals to 4, this is x equals to 4, is divided in two equal parts by the line x equals to a. It means this area and this area is equal, or this part is equal to this part. That is, area OADO is equal to ABCDA. These two areas are equal. Now you see, for this area, it is 0 to a y of the parabola, and a to 4 again y of parabola. Now we are simplifying this. So x power half plus 1 and half plus 1, and the limit is 0 to a, equals to x power half plus 1 and half plus 1, and it is a to 4. So now see the part. It is 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2, or 0 to a. This side also 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 a to 4. Now this part and this part can cancel here because it will be a common part. So it is a power 3 by 2. This a power 3 by 2 instead of x. Minus 0, it will be 0 only. This side, please see this now. 4 power 3 by 2 minus a power 3 by 2. Transfer this side. So it is a power 3 by 2 plus a power 3 by 2 and 4 power 3 by 2. Here it is 2a power 3 by 2. And 4 power 3 by 2 will be 2 power 2 into 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 cancel here. So here 2a power 3 by 2 equals to 8, or a power 3 by 2 equals to 4. So now we can write this 4 as, we can write this a as 4 power 2 by 3. So the answer of this problem is 4 power 2 by 3. In this way we can simplify. Once more I am explaining you. Transfer this side 2. Then this 4 power 3 by 2 will be 2 and 2 cancel. So 2 power 3, that is 8, divided by 4. A power 3 by 2 equals to 4. So a will be, this 3 by 2 will become, so the value of 2 by 3. So the value of this is this one. A equals to 4 power 2 by 3. I hope this problem is clear to you. It is very important from the examination point of view. Thank you.